Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how you can jailbreak your ps4 with the latest Goldenhen. So first go to the setting and make sure your ps4 is connected to the internet. Now go back and open the internet browser and go on the Camellia host, and there you will see the latest Goldenhen version 16 beta. Just click on it and it will jailbreak your ps4. This Goldenhen is very fast than the previous version. Now your ps4 is jailbreak. You can now easily enable the option of game overlay. Now run this game and you will see on the top all the RAM information and the FPS. And if you want to install games remotely, just install this app, link in the description. Open it now. Now go to your PC and install the Node.js in your PC, link in the description. And after this, install the remote package installer, run it and put your ps4 IP address here and your PC IP address. If you want to see your PC IP address, just run cmd and type ipconfig and press enter, and here you will see your PC IP address. Now drag your pkg file in it, select it and press send pkg. After this, a message will pop up on your ps4 and the package file will automatically install in your ps4. Now play the game and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. Just subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.